Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. Today we're going to be making Instant Pot Aloo Gobi. Aloo Gobi is a really popular Indian restaurant dish, and aloo means potato and gobi means cauliflower. So it's a cauliflower and potato dish that's really easy to make on the stovetop, but I've adapted it for the Instant Pot and it's even quicker in the Instant Pot. So let's go over the ingredients and I'll show you how to make it. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 2 cups of potatoes cubed into 1 1/4 inch pieces, 1 cup of chopped onion, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and if you can't find that, you can use cayenne pepper, and you may want to reduce the quantity because Kashmiri chili powder is a less spicy kind of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and I'll put a recipe link in the notes for my recipe, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter, and if you wanted to make it more healthy or you wanted it to be vegan, you can substitute vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 small head of cauliflower cut into 1-inch wide pieces. That's about 4 cups, and it's important not to cut the cauliflower too small because it'll overcook. 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, and this is for garnish. And not pictured in this photograph is half a cup of water. You can also add chili pepper, either serrano or jalapeno, if you want the recipe to be spicier, and you would add that with the onions and ginger. Heat up the Instant Pot in saute mode, and once it's hot, add in the ghee or butter or oil. And once the ghee melts, add in the cumin seeds. If the ghee is too hot, you can turn off saute mode to prevent the cumin seeds from burning. Once you've stirred up the cumin seeds, add in the onions, the ginger. Stir them up in saute mode until the onions are a golden brown. Once the onions have cooked through, you can add in the rest of the spices. At this point, you can turn off saute mode and let the spices cook in residual heat. Add in the turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander, cumin, salt, and stir up the spices until they're combined with the onions. And make sure there's nothing stuck on the bottom. If you need to, go ahead and deglaze with a tablespoon or 2 of water. Add the water and stir it all up. And then add the potatoes, and now we're ready to pressure cook the potatoes for 3 minutes. When the pressure cooking is done, do a quick release of pressure, and once the float valve goes down, you're ready to open the lid. Now in the second stage of cooking, we're going to add the cauliflower. The reason we add the cauliflower separately from the potatoes is they cook much faster. So add the cauliflower and stir everything up so that the cauliflower is mixed together with the potatoes and the liquid. Now close the lid once again and pressure cook the cauliflower and potatoes for 0 minutes. Now if your Instant Pot doesn't have the option of pressure cooking for 0 minutes, you're just going to pressure cook for 1 minute, and as soon as it goes from on to 1, you're going to press cancel and release the pressure and open it up. Stir it all up and garnish with cilantro before serving. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy that aloo gobi recipe and get a chance to try it out. I'll see you next time.